How to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, navigate to top left corner and tap on your avatar icon. Here, scroll all the way down and then tap on Snap Map. Here, tap on the settings icon from the top right corner and make sure you have toggled off this option that is ghost mode. If you have enabled it, your friends will not be able to see your location, so make sure it is turned off. After you do that, you can go back and on your Snap Map you can locate a location nearby you. So simply tap on the place. Once you have selected the place, if you scroll down a bit, you can see all different kinds of snap from the place. You can tap on it and then you can find or add the friend on Snapchat through the Snap Map. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.